This is the Smart Grow Kit. In the box, it comes with a grow light and its accessories, including its power cord, hanging kits and adjustable rope, an IP camera, and the power strip. First, quickly and easily pair the grow light and the smart power strip. The grow light features 3 lighting modes: veg, bloom, and full, that you can manage in 3 control methods: panel, app, and voice, such as Alexa or Google. These grow stages are important to maximize yield and save electricity cost. Plus, you can easily set up a scheduler through the app, or you can turn the light on and off manually. No need to adjust light height when you need it to be lighter or darker. You can adjust the intensity of the light at 25%, 50%, 75%, and 100%. And you can always check on the temperature and humidity with a real-time trend graph and a 7-day historical graph. If you've got a bigger size grow tent, it also supports daisy chaining, which can help keep your grow tents neat and tidy without wires everywhere. The IP camera can stick directly to the grow light with the magnetic plate sticker provided. Plus, the camera shoots great 1080p HD quality video. You can also take photos with the app, and there is even a motion detection feature. Finally, all these grow tent accessories and devices like the grow light, camera, inline ventilation fans, humidifier, grow fans, and more can be powered on and off in the same app with the Smart Power Strip. Grow stronger and faster with the Smart Grow Kit.